Hello class, sorry I'm late, I got stuck in traffic. Today we are starting a new subject called integral membrane proteins.
That's us. Didn't we learn about proteins already?
Yes, but these are a different kind of proteins. These proteins run through the cell bilayer. They perform assorted tasks for the cell.
What kind of structure are these proteins made out of, Professor?
Well, to start, these proteins are ambipathic molecules. This means that the end of the protein is hydrophilic, while the middle is hydropathic. The structure is usually either tertiary protein or quaternary protein.
What is the tertiary or quaternary structure made up of?
These proteins are made up of alpha helixes and beta pleated sheets and held together by many factors.
But what holds them together?
Great question. This brings me to my next point. Alpha helices and beta pleated sheets are held together into the shape of proteins through intersections of R group weak hydrogen bonds and van der Waals forces.
What kind of functions do these proteins serve, Professor?
Well, they serve a variety of functions, such as transport molecules like an aquaporin, which is a uniporter, or as an insulin receptor, which regulates glucose. Cacy.
What's a uniporter?
A uniporter is an integral membrane protein that moves one type of molecule across a lipid bilayer. For example, an aquaporin moves water across the bilayer. There's also antiporters, which move one molecule in and one molecule out. Such as sodium-calcium exchanger, which moves calcium out of the cell and uses sodium to make a gradient. There's also a symporter, which moves two molecules either in or out of a cell, such as a proton pump in your stomach, which fill your stomach with both hydrogen and potassium ions at the same time to make stomach acid. Taylor.
How are these proteins arranged in the lipid bilayer?
The lipid bilayer is ordered by the fluid mosaic model. It's fluid because the lipid bilayer is constant lateral motion, and it's mosaic because these proteins and other sterile molecules are placed randomly throughout the bilayer. All in all, integral membrane proteins are very important components of the cell that serve a variety of purposes. Does any of this make sense to you?
Not really. Can you go over it again?
On la vie.